Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to be shopping for each body type, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. I'm starting with Apple, and I love this dress from Free Assembly for an Apple body type. It has the plunging V neckline, and then it's relaxed through the top portion, has that same detailing at the waist, also has this belt and a flowy skirt. The back has that same kind of fit, comes in this floral. We also saw it in the last shop with me in navy, and they're $34.98. Here's a sneak peek item from Free Assembly. I also like this one for an Apple body type. It has the higher neckline, also has the puff sleeve. It's a nice relaxed fit through the body, really good length with the ribbing at the bottom, and then that same fit through the back. And this one is going to be $22. High-rise wide leg denim from Free Assembly. I think these work really nicely for an Apple body type. They are a little bit of a thicker denim. They have the two front pockets feeding through the leg, and then pockets on the back. You can see that same detail. This one is going to be $29. These dresses from Free Assembly are also going to work for an Apple body type. They have that mock neckline, this really cute little shoulder detail. Also has a gathering with that banded wrist. It's relaxed through the body. This is the extra small, so you can see it is a relaxed fit, but I would probably stick with your normal size. In the burgundy, also comes in the navy, and they're $24. I also like the scuba sweatshirt sweatpant combo. So I think they sold out of the sweatshirts. We saw them here a couple weeks ago. But these have that flat front, side pocket, the seam detailing. It's a nice flowy leg. These are super soft, and you can see the elastic going through the back. Comes in the green, also in the gray. I think it also comes in that brown color, and these are going to be $20. They do have these V-neck sweatshirts, so another option. It's going to work well for an Apple body type. This has that V neckline. It's that soft, stretchy material. Has the drop sleeve, oversized ribbed wrist, and then that nice band at the bottom. That same fit through the back. So you can do this one. Here's the crew neck. I think this one's also going to work for an Apple because it's nice and relaxed. My middle daughter has an Apple body type, so that's why I've, learned what works. But these have that drop sleeve, the banded wrist, ribbed bottom, same fit through the back, and these are going to be $19, and then the V-neck is going to be $22. It looks like that V-neck, it is a sneak peek item. It also comes in white and gray. I like these flare jeans for an Apple body type. They're high rise. They have the side pocket, the fading fitted through the leg. These are a slim boot, but they have that stretchy waist, and then the pockets in the back. Comes in the black. They're $28.98. If you are on the shorter end, or if you have a shorter leg, I would say stick with heels or wedges with these. Sneak peek dresses from Jessica Simpson. I think these are going to also work for an Apple body type, but there's not a whole lot of stretch, so I would say do not size down. But this has a plunging V, a like fluttery balloon style sleeve, the band at the waist, it's a nice flowy skirt, and then there's smocking in the back. Comes in the black, also in that blue, and these are regularly $30. Another good one for an Apple is this textured V-neck top from Time and True. It has that V, the same detailing. It's a nice and relaxed, has that band at the bottom, really good length with the band on the wrist, and then that same fit through the back. Comes in the gray. It also comes in the brown, green, and the purple, and they're $13.98. New long sleeve tees from Free Assembly. These have the boat neckline. It's a relaxed fit. These are really stretchy, and then it looks like a shorter sleeve. It is relaxed. $14 in the purple with the brown, and then also comes in black and white. You also can't go wrong with this button-down shirt from Gloria Vanderbilt. It has that smaller collar, full button, the tab sleeve, really good length, so it's going to pair with so many things. Could layer it up with the shorts now. Has that same detail in the white, also comes in that stripe. We also saw it, I think, in a polka dot, and these are $19.98. And then another good denim for an Apple is the Gloria Vanderbilt all-around slimming effect. These are cargo denim. They're wide leg, have that same detail, the 2 flat pockets, and then they also have pockets in the back. $24.98. In the dark indigo, they also come in the green. The boxy tees from Free Assembly also work well for an apple. So these have that crew neckline. It's a relaxed fit. This is a new color option. Also comes in the black, the white, and gray. And these are $9. I think these 2 sweatshirts from Time and True are going to work for all body types. So this has that soft fleece, the split V, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, that sweatered bottom. Really good length in the brown. Also comes in the black. And they're $19.98. And then these snap pullovers have the same detail drop sleeve, the ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom, in the navy, pink, green, and ivory. And these are going to be $17.98. Next up is Hourglass and PEAR. I absolutely love this dress on that body type because you have the belt to pull it in. Is a full button down up until the drop tier. It's pleated, has the button on the wrist, and then the seam through the back. Comes in the navy, also in the burgundy, and these are $34. These pleated skirts are also going to work really well for an PEAR or Hourglass. So they have that side zip, comes in at the waist. It's nice and flowy through the front and the back. In the navy and white. Also comes in the burgundy with the dot, and these are $26. And then you could also pair this new sneak peek top from Free Assembly for an PEAR or Hourglass. So this has that tie detail, the plunging V, this little shoulder detail, button on the wrist, and then that seam detailing in the back. And these are regularly going to be $26. I like this blazer from Free Assembly for a PEAR or an Hourglass because you could see it comes in at the waist and it's stretchy, so you could even size down and get, you know, that look. So it has a smaller collar, lapel, tortoise button, relaxed through the wrist, and these are going to be $39. I think the Sofia Vergara line is made for an Hourglass shape. And these work really well. I picked this one up. I showed it in the last haul. So this has the plunging V, the button detail that's really fitted, and there is a good amount of stretch with that same detail in the back. This also comes in the green, and I also saw ivory online, and these are going to be $20. Also new wide leg seam jeans from Time and True. These are high rise. They have the whiskering, seam detailing through the front, and pockets in the back, and they're $29 or $22.98. These jackets are perfect for an Hourglass or PEAR because usually these oversized jackets don't come in at the waist, but now you have that ability with the belt. So sneak peek item from Free Assembly. It has that mid-size collar, full button, the 2 flat pockets with the button on the wrist. Really good length in the dark indigo. Also comes in that ivory, and these are going to be $36. New maxi length dresses from No Boundaries. So these have the thin strap, that little twist detail. It's a stretchy material with the slit. The back is squared with the smocking. Comes in this blue print. There's also purple floral. There's a black floral, and they're going to be $17.98. New Sofia Vergara slip dress. This one has the thin strap, this little ruche detailing. The material is that textured kind of thicker satin. Flows out a little bit at the bottom, and then it's squared in the back. And this one is regularly $24. And it also comes in the black. Next up is the inverted triangle, and I love these jeans because they're going to create more of like the balance where you have the broader shoulders and then give you some more width in the bottom portion. So these are high rise, button pocket. The top pocket is positioned in the thigh area, and then they also have that lower pocket. These come in all the same colors as the vest. It also has the trouser style pockets in the back, which is going to give you more of a, you know, bigger bottom look. And these are $26. These dresses work really well for an inverted triangle. They have that higher neckline. They're sleeveless. Really nice length, kind of gives you a little bit of a flow out at the bottom, but it's more fitted through the top portion, and then has the keyhole in the back. In the new green floral, also comes in this black, and they're going to be $34. New ruche top from Sofia Vergara. This one has the thicker strap, that scoop neckline. It's a seamless kind of like that smoothing material. It does have the built-in pad, seam detailing under the bust, and then ruching on the side, and it's squared in the back. Comes in the fuchsia, also in black, and these are $24. New mock neck tops from Scoop. These are a lightweight sweater material, sleeveless. It's a relaxed fit with the ribbed bottom in the ivory. Also comes in black, and these are $19. Sneak peek rib dresses from Time and Tru. These have that scoop neckline, drop sleeve. It's a midi length with the little slits on the side. That same kind of fit through the back with the seam. Comes in the green, also in the rust, and they're $15.98. I also love these lace tops for a inverted triangle, also an hourglass. It has that higher neckline. It's sheer through the body. It has a little built-in tank, and then the bell sleeve. So really good length. Comes in the cream, also in the black, and they are regularly going to be $20. The balloon style jeans from Jessica Simpson are going to work nicely for an inverted triangle. These have that mid-rise, the double button, pork chop pocket, flat pocket. In the green, also comes in the black, and these are going to be $29.50. Also new peplum top from Sofia Vergara. This one has that plunging V neckline, drawstring at the waist, a little peplum with the flutter pleated sleeve. Comes in the fuchsia, also in this purple print. How pretty. So those colors. And this one is going to be $24. I love these dresses for a rectangle body type because they're full button up until the waist. You could see it comes in at the waist point. It's kind of oversized through the shoulder. Has the gathering. It's a midi length. These are regularly $40. Another sneak peek item has that elastic going through. Comes in the black, also in that cream color, and these are going to be $40. Here's a new item. This one's probably online only, but I think it'll work for a rectangle. So it's off the shoulder, comes in at the waist, a nice flowy leg with the drawstring. Comes in this hot pink. They also have a black. And these are regularly, probably has an online only thing. Oh no, $22.98. New tie front dress from Scoop. It has that rounded collar with the tie, keyhole, side seam detailing, elastic in the wrist with the little tier, and then it's a smocked waist, tiered skirt. It's nice and flowy in the green. Also comes in that watercolor, and these are $38. Also new from Sofia Vergara is this one shoulder top. It has the thicker strap, scoops down. It is that smoothing material. It's lined with this mesh with the ruching on the side. Comes in the leopard, also in black, and these are $16. Also new from Free Assembly is this button down dress. This one has the smaller collar, full button to the waist, button on the wrist, elastic in the waist with the pleated poplin skirt. Comes in the green, also in the navy, and these are $32. New wrap dresses from Sofia Vergara. So these are a faux wrap. It just has a little tie detail so you could pull it in. Has that wrap top, the little shoulder detail, button on the wrist. See tier with the asymmetrical, or like high-low, where it's longer in the back, and then elastic in the back to pull it in. Comes in the fuchsia, also in the black. These are textured satin, and then in the chiffon in this floral print we saw in a top, and they're going to be $32. New bodysuits from Sofia Vergara. So these have that scoop neckline. It's fitted through the wrist, stretchy in the thong style back, and the black. They are $22. New tank and skirt sets from No Boundaries. So these have that thicker strap, scoop neckline. It is cropped with the elastic. It's a soft fleece on the inside. It scoops in the back. The skirt has that elastic waistband, that same sweatshirt material with the cargo pocket and then a slit. I'll put that in the front of the back. Comes in the olive, also in the black, and the 2 pieces are $16.98. New rib dresses from No Boundaries. So these have the elastic strap. They're ribbed and stretchy. V neckline with this little tie. It's fitted with the wrap style, wrap look with the little slit. And then the back is squared. In this gray, kind of is like a purple tone. Then also in the orangey red, there's an olive and black, and they're only $12.98. New denim skirt from Free Assembly. This one has lots of seaming, the side zipper. It's an A-line, the same kind of seaming in the back. And this one is going to be $26. These tweed bombers from Madden NYC, they have the rib neckline, full button down, has the ribbed wrist, shorter fit through the front and the back. In the blue, also comes in the black and white, and they are going to be $25.50. Another trend we're seeing roll into fall are these satin pieces. So this one's from Jessica Simpson. It has the thin strap, the lace trim. It's flowy through the front, squared in the back. In the green, also comes in the black, and these are going to be $19. New drop tier denim dress from Free Assembly. These have that higher neckline, puff sleeve. It's relaxed with that drop tier at the bottom, keyhole in the back, and they're $28. Also in the plaid print are these pull-on pants from Time and True. These have that elastic waistband, side pocket. These are a tapered leg. They had something similar last year, so this is a sneak peek item. And then they do have the trouser style pockets on the back. These are $18.98. New flutter sleeve rib tops from Time and True. So these have that higher neckline, flutter sleeve. It's ribbed, really nice length. This is the large, and then there's the medium. So I would say more of a relaxed, flowy fit. If you want a little more fitted, you could size down. Navy, olive, fuchsia, and rust, and they're $9.98. New dress from Scoop. It has that plunging V neckline, the puff sleeve detail, also the ruching through the sleeve and the ruching through the bust. It's a relaxed flowy skirt, and then there is a zipper up the back. Comes in the houndstooth, also in solid black, and they're $39. I'm gonna pair it with the satin cargos from Sofia Vergara. These are, I think they're high rise. They have the 2 pockets, 2 flat pockets, straight through the leg. They're nice and flowy with elastic. So they come in brown. They also come in black. I love pink and brown together, but I think I'm gonna do like the safer pink and black. And these are going to be $24. But I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.